And we are preparing to head back to the classroom with some early learning. And your kids have been sending us videos asking questions about the weather.
This part makes me smile. No matter what the weather's like, it's just fun. We're letting Shane explain. And here's today's question.
Hi, my name is Harper. I'm from Liberty Hill. I'm going into 4th grade. My question for Shane is, what makes humidity?
Oh, that's a great question, Harper. Thank you so much for that. So I know many people have been asking that all the time. So Harper's question was specifically, what makes humidity? I feel like we've been talking about it quite often recently, especially in regards to our fire weather concerns. But before we break down what humidity is, we have to talk about water, okay, specifically moisture. Water is a very interesting thing because we have it in 3 different forms. We have liquid, water, then we also have it as a gas, water vapor, and then we also have it as solid in the form of ice. But I want to focus in here mostly as we're talking about water vapor, because when water vapor is in the air and kind of that moisture has evaporated from a liquid, that's when we're talking about humidity. Absolute humidity is one type of humidity, and that's talking about how much water vapor is in the air. Relative humidity is how much water vapor is in the air, but it's compared to the temperature, okay? So that's why we've been talking about relative humidity recently, because our temperatures are so high, it lowers the humidity throughout the day. Now, you've probably heard people say, it's so humid out there. That's because we have more moisture in the air. So thank you so much for that question, Harper. As you can see, our humidity values are pretty high right now, but they drop throughout the day, which is why our fire concerns are so high. In a couple of minutes, I'm going to have a more detailed look at our extended forecast and the fire weather concerns, you guys.
I loved Harper's question.
Yeah, absolutely.
Good point. Yes, the humidity, it's rough.
Yeah. And it makes it really hard because you can't evaporate the moisture. You know, the atmosphere is so moist, so much humidity. So it's a lose-lose when it's humid, unfortunately. If you have a question about the weather, let Shane explain. Take a video with your name, grade, and question. Hi, I'm Rob, college, and here's my question. Text it to the number on your screen, 512-459-9442. Shane will answer it right here on Daybreak. Make sure it's a cute kid, not an old man like me.
I don't think I want to know what your questions are.